Good day, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware of risk in the future trading. All our videos for educational purpose only. You're very welcome to follow any of our automated signal as long as you are on SIM. We're not responsible for your trade. Finally, the market straightened up to the long side, and we will start bringing the charts. For the update, there is a new auto trades needs to be released very soon. We're doing the final test, and we are now, the auto trade took a long trade, and we are doing, we did the final test on the range, the minutes, the tick charts. Everything is doing fine, and we added the button on it, and we will we have a bug here. It's not registering the PNL, and we are gonna fix this bug. It's not registering, but this is extremely friendly use. You don't need to optimize. You just need to put the right time frame, and you can choose between 1, 10 contract, 5 contract, whatever you want, and it will be you don't need to do too much with this auto trade at all. You don't need to deal with the stop loss, and you don't need to deal with I mean, it is really friendly use. So today we are testing the 600 ticks, and we will bring some other ones as well. It is a really good, profitable. Also on the YM is doing very well, CL doing very well. So this is a really good auto trade, and we will update you on it. Probably within a week or so, we should be releasing the first one, and then we will release the second one. We've been working on only one at this moment. And what we have done when there is a sideways market, the auto trade understand it. If you notice, as an example, here, that direction here, the auto trade has avoided the sideways market. This is really important. Now, this one here we use is a different auto trade. There is 20 auto trade in your package. This one here is very aggressive, already made 1,000. So this one here is a reversal, and is going from one fib to the other. And now we activate the Nasdaq. Usually try to get 1,000 between 10 and 11, and we will bring also this auto trade, and also the same on the ES, and we will, they're both on 000, and we will no, yesterday I did not have a webinar. I had a problem. I have a problem. I have electric short. We didn't have electricity in our area. We didn't have internet in our area. and I couldn't even work yesterday. So no, we did not have webinar yesterday, and I couldn't send a message to the traders that we were totally blacked out yesterday in our area. So we did not have webinar yesterday. Even the mobile phone wouldn't work yesterday. So let's look at the market, and we will try to predict the market. We have a re-entry on the Nasdaq 19,518 long. We have a re-entry, and we have a re-entry on the ES 5549 long. 5549 long. Those are, we have a new signal on the Russell and a new signal on the sell, on the CL. We have two signals. It looks like the trade on the ES is gonna make it. Nice trade, very nice trade. This is the re-entry on the Nasdaq right here. Very nice trade, beautiful, beautifully done. Nice. 780. On the Nasdaq, you can see it on the left corner. Left bottom corner here is 780. Beautiful trade. $810. And you see, I called that trade for you. The re-entry, I told you exactly what it is, and it's finished. It's finished. Beautiful the way handle the trade, and it is finished. Good. It was very nice. And on this new scalper, it's not registering the trade, but it took a nice trade as well, short, and closed it. And of course, we're gonna show much more of this very soon. So this auto trade, the new one, many people are going to start using it immediately. Let's see what else we have. Let's look at the market. We called the re-entry for you. And look, the re-entry where we called the trade for you is perfect. It's 100% accurate. Beautiful. I'm waiting till a little bit the market slow down a little bit, and we reactivate the Nasdaq one more time. Is about to close the trade, and it did. It's 200. So we are going to restart again. And now it's 000, and we will see where we are going to take a trade. Most likely long. Yeah, speaking of a double, here it is. It's a long from the re-entry position right there. Yes. Absolutely. There is no short trade. Also, what you can do, you can use the buttons on the top, and if you like the profit, you can close position on the top. Be careful, there is no short entries. There is no short entries. Let me explain to you. There is no short. This one is a reversal and took it, but there is no short entries because there is a lot of support here. You should not be trading this. It's going to be turning back, and This is a really nice trade. $470 on the Nasdaq, 470. This is not good. Jesus. It came in right at the target. Okay, finished. Okay, we are 415. It's gonna take another long from the support. Well, this is the third round on the Nasdaq. Oh, this is the new scalper. Also taking a short trade. But this one here is not as aggressive as the gray chart. The gray chart is very aggressive. This is a total different auto trade. It is more conservative trading. So perfect. It was 225 on that. We will be fixing, there is a bug here. We're not calculating, but we will be fixing this bug on that auto trade. So it's doing okay, and took another short on the pullback. Perfect. So this is the new auto trade. We're still working on it, and we will and this one taking short, and this one taking short as well. $200. So between those two trades, there are 500, and we will fix this here. We will be fixing it. So you can see it's extremely accurate, and the way it's exiting by itself is accurate as well, and it's doing very well. And also it's doing very well on the minutes. ES 5 minutes is doing extremely well, but I'm not set up yet but we will fix the P&L so we can see the results, and we will next time we will be showing the P&L on this one here. It is doing very well. There is a new signal on the ES, a new signal on the ES. I didn't see that, and this is from the market analyzer. Already took that trade from the signal, and there is a sell signal on the ES. The scalper, the new scalper, took a short trade again on those two trades. We did 250 by 250, and now we are going on the third trade based on a pullback re-entry, and this one you can practically run it all day long if you want to, or you can set your target if you want. That will be nice. This is a really good one. It's coming. I'll update you. Still, I mean, not bad. Still, what we are doing, the reason we are testing the higher time frame, people don't need to sit down and monitor the market, because no matter what we say, they're not monitoring the market. So this is a solution, and we have some other ideas how to help those handicapped traders. That's what I want to call it. They are totally handicapped, and so it is made for handicapped people, you know, and so hopefully we will release it soon. It's not such a good day on the ES today with this auto trade. It's not. We are down 450 on the ES, and it's not the greatest day on the ES. The Nasdaq is doing much better on the Nasdaq, but those auto trades, they can recover immediately from. Also, if you are a professional trader, if you have a couple different accounts, that will be really nice to have different positions in the market. And now the ES is recovering, and a little bit at the time is fine. and but it took a major blow on one trade. Was not really that good, and we are down 400. Welcome to trading. So let's look at the market condition. There's not much to do actually anymore. Well, that trade took off on the new Autotrade. Really a lot of volatility. So I have no trade for you on the Nasdaq ES. Until we cross the 19,545, there is no trade. If you are in a trade, your target on the ES 5560, and this is it. Here is your target on the Nasdaq 19,547. Those are your targets. No trade so far, no trade. The scalper just took a long trade. The market is very unpredictable. Be careful today. It's really choppy. can see how when the trend changed, he closed position, opened a new position immediately. So you're gonna see that a lot. That will help the trader not looking at the trend to the auto trade figure out to change direction. And that's how it is done. When he sees the direction change, he do it automatically. We spend a lot of time on this. And we added the button today. I need to test the button. I'm gonna close it. Well, the buttons are working, but the PNL is not showing the trades, so we're gonna fix that. The scalper took, the new scalper took a long trade as well, which once we fix the box, then we can show ES, CL, YM, and ES. We'll put all four. the market really struggling, and 1 minute is going short, 1 minute is going long. Okay, now we're down to 595, and the market cannot find direction, and there is no short on the Nasdaq. Absolutely, there is no short, and you have only long on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq support area, heavy support area, 19,535, followed by a lot of support, and then even if you're able to cross those, you have a major supports area here. So there is no short trades on the Nasdaq, and the market not trending. This is the worst nightmare for Autotrader when the market is not trending. This is not good. We're still going back and forth on the third round on the Nasdaq. We're still going back and forth. A lot of chops. Okay, we are 830. That much gold. There is not much going on in the market. There's a new signal on the Russell, a new signal on the CL, buy signal. Welcome to trading on the ES. We are down 450. We are down 450 on the ES. We're not doing well on the ES reverse scalping. We are not doing any good. We're going in a circle with the reversal. Welcome to trading. You have to see the good and the bad and probably now we will break even on the ES, but welcome to trading. It cannot be winner every day, and here it is. Okay, we recovered the losses, and now we only have $25. It was a really struggling market. You can see the scalper has no trade yet. Just took a trade long. But the market is not good. The market is not really good market today. A mini chop in the market, and the market is not really good. So there are small trends here and there, but there is nothing, a lot of movement. Okay, that was a perfect trade. But we are done for today. There is not much to do, and for the auto traders, maybe it will be smart to go for lunch and come back in the afternoon, and the market is moving. Now the market is still, I mean, look, there is a lot of support area, and the market entered those two yellow line, and the reversal start firing. So don't expect to be above the 55.87 on the ES, don't. On the buy signal, the ES, this is from the market analyzer, the target is 55.88, and that is in line below the 55.88. That's way above. No, it's right here on the target, but here there is a resistance above that number here. So this is from the market analyzer Autotrade. So within line, but don't expect anything above that number, the 88 level. Don't expect anything, and we are done for today. There is nothing. The market is struggling today. Thank you very much for today, and wish you a pleasant day. Bye for now.